And Allah Almighty says, Allah is, it is He who made 7 heavens and of the earth their like. The commandment comes down in their midst, so that you may know that Allah can do everything, and the knowledge of Allah encompasses everything. As-Saqafil Marfu means the heaven. Samkaha means its building. Al-Hubbuku means to be equal and graceful. Wa Azinat means he heard and obeyed. Al-Qat means it will cast forth all the dead buried in the earth and becomes hollow. Tahaha means spread it. As-Sahira means the surface of the earth on which the living beings sleep and awake up. Hazrat Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman radiyallahu anhu reports he had a dispute with some people regarding land. So he came to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and mentioned it to her. She said, O Abu Salama, eschew land, for undoubtedly Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever usurps a span of land, that piece of land up to 7 earth in the shape of a collar, will be tied around his neck on the day of resurrection. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3195.